Timedelta object cannot be converted with Astype. A native pandas Timedelta, with version 0.20.3, can't convert to a specific frequency with Astype, although the docs say it should be possible. I'm trying to figure out what I'm missing. From the Timedelta docs. Timedelta series, Timedelta index, and Timedelta scalars can be converted to other frequencies by dividing by another Timedelta, or by astyping to a specific Timedelta type. It's true that I can convert by division with another Timedelta. But Astype fails. The example in the documentation doesn't actually use pd.timedelta, and that seems to be part of the issue. Instead, it uses series date_range, subtraction and datetime.timedelta, which seems a little funny given there's a native pandas Timedelta. The type of day for my example, however, is different. I haven't yet dug into the slib source to figure out what's going on under the hood, hoping someone can clear up the seeming discrepancy between what's going on in the docs and what I'm trying to do here. Thanks. pd.timedelta doesn't have the method Astype while pd.timedelta index does.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.